In a high-end kitchen remodel, your refrigerator has a dual mandate. It has to keep your groceries perfectly preserved, and it has to serve as the visual centerpiece of the room. Enter the Viking 3 Series. This 36-inch French door model is designed to give you a heavy-duty, commercial kitchen aesthetic without the massive structural renovations required for a true flush inset built-in unit. Retailing anywhere from $4,200 to $6,600 depending on promotions, this fridge targets buyers who want the prestige of the Viking badge, the thick stainless steel facade, and those massive professional-grade handles. But when you're spending upwards of $5,000 on an appliance, you have to ask a critical question. Are you paying for superior internal engineering or just buying a luxury badge slapped onto mass-market hardware? High-end appliance shopping is all about opportunity cost. To understand if the Viking 3 Series is actually worth the investment, we have to weigh it against the two titans of the luxury market. This chart maps the current refrigerator landscape, plotting our options on two main axes: mechanical engineering and reliability on the bottom, and aesthetic prestige and brand cachet on the side. First, we have the engineering benchmark, the Bosch 800 series. It boasts incredible mechanical reliability, though it lacks that ultra-premium brand cachet. Then, at the absolute top of the market, there's Sub-Zero. It maxes out both engineering and prestige, but you'll pay double the price of the Viking to get there. So where does the Viking 3 Series land? It offers immense visual prestige, but as the data shows, it lags behind the competition in mechanical reliability. To justify pulling the trigger on the Viking, we need to open it up and compare its physical architecture and thermal engine directly against the Bosch and the Sub-Zero. The Viking 3 Series is a freestanding counter-depth unit. That means it's strictly designed to slide into a standard cabinet cutout, unlike a true built-in fridge that integrates perfectly flush with your woodwork. This schematic shows exactly how Viking achieves their look. The cabinet is just under 23.5 inches deep, hiding inside standard lower cabinets. But look at the swing radius. The thick doors must sit proud of the cabinetry. If pushed back too far, those heavy doors will bind against the wood when opened. To complete the illusion of a built-in kitchen, Viking offers dedicated accessories. You can add a $419 louvered grill kit for the top and a $109 stainless steel toe kick for the bottom to hide the hinges, leveling legs, and exhaust gaps. A Sub-Zero, by contrast, is engineered from the ground up to sit completely flush with your surrounding panels, requiring no extra trim kits. The Viking delivers a highly convincing luxury aesthetic for thousands of dollars less than a built-in model, provided your contractor leaves the exact dimensional clearances required to make it work. Inside the cabin, the primary engineering challenge is climate control. You need to maintain a highly humid environment for fresh produce, while keeping the freezer brutally cold and bone dry. Viking tackles this by pairing a single variable speed compressor with a dual evaporator system. Having two separate evaporators isolates the airflow, preventing the scent of last night's garlic from creeping into your ice cubes. They also include their proprietary IonGuard system. Instead of relying on passive carbon filters you have to manually replace, IonGuard actively pumps ions into the air to neutralize odor-causing molecules and bacteria on contact. Let's see how that thermal engine stacks up. While all three models offer dual evaporators, Sub-Zero and Bosch both utilize dual compressors. Having two entirely separate compressors provides absolute thermal isolation and reduces mechanical strain on the system. The IonGuard and dual evaporators do their job well, but if you buy the Viking, you are paying over $5,000 for a single compressor system when a $3,500 Bosch gives you two. Because counter-depth refrigerators are shallower than standard models, they sacrifice raw storage volume. That makes the internal layout and daily ergonomics incredibly important. This chart breaks down Viking's capacity allocation, dedicating 67% of space to the highly visible fresh food compartment. The smartest feature here is the full-width ColdZone drawer, designed to hold oversized items like charcuterie platters and 14-inch pizza boxes. The physical build quality inside the cabin, however, requires some context. After Viking was acquired by the Middleby Corporation, their manufacturing focus remained heavily on their famous cooking ranges. For freestanding refrigerators like this 3 Series, the underlying chassis and internal hardware rely heavily on outsourced OEM parts. That outsourcing explains a stark divide in the verified purchaser data. While the outside of the fridge feels bulletproof, owners report freezer tracks snapping, door mullions breaking, and shockingly fragile internal plastic bins. The most frequent mechanical vulnerability reported by technicians is the premature failure of the defrost terminator. When this thermostat fails, thick blocks of ice build up over the evaporator coils, choking off the airflow. This lets the fresh food compartment drift dangerously up to 60 degrees. You have to reconcile that duality. You are getting an indestructible, heavy-duty exterior that actively masks a collection of vulnerable, mass-market internal components. Viking markets this unit with Quiet Cool technology, boasting an incredibly low operational rating of 39 decibels in a controlled laboratory setting. Real-world installation data tells a completely different story. Consumer reviews are flooded with complaints about a pervasive, loud humming drone that cuts right through the kitchen. The issue often stems from cabinet resonance. When you slot this specific compressor tightly into custom woodwork, the narrow side panels act like a soundboard, amplifying a quiet mechanical hum into a highly intrusive noise. By contrast, the Bosch 800 series maintains a pristine industry reputation for running virtually silent, even when packed into the exact same architectural setup. If you have a modern, open-concept floor plan where your kitchen flows directly into your living room, that acoustic resonance is a massive risk. Viking is aware of these hardware and acoustic vulnerabilities, and they attempt to offset consumer anxiety with an aggressively tiered warranty structure. This timeline details their coverage plan. The key protection is the 6-year full warranty on the sealed system, covering parts and specialized labor. But in year 7, coverage drops to parts only. You pay for labor, and hiring certified technicians will easily run you thousands. We also have to set realistic lifespan expectations. A true built-in, like a Sub-Zero, is engineered to run for over 20 years. A premium freestanding unit, whether it's the Viking or the Bosch, is generally projected to last 10 to 15 years. That extended warranty is a necessary shield, but the downtime, the lost groceries during a failure, and the eventual labor costs significantly inflate the true long-term cost of ownership. Ultimately, buying the Viking 3 series requires you to make a conscious choice to prioritize your aesthetic desires over empirical engineering data. Your decision comes down to your primary goal for the kitchen. Are you maximizing aesthetic continuity and resale value, or are you prioritizing mechanical longevity? If you are outfitting an entire kitchen suite and need the fridge to perfectly match your Viking range, or if you are flipping a luxury property and need the cachet of the Viking logo to boost your listing price, buy the 3 series. But what if your goal is pure engineering and quiet operation? That decision is dictated by your budget. If it's capped at $5,000, you are better off buying the dual compressor Bosch 800 series. If it's unlimited, upgrade to a flush inset Sub-Zero. The Viking 3 series is a brilliant tool for anchoring your kitchen's visual prestige. But if you want to anchor your culinary peace of mind, the data tells us you should look elsewhere.